guys, it's Caitlin here in the AFI DIY Lab, coming at you with a super cute and fun project to add to your line, Sugar Tarts. These scrubby little cuties can be made into a variety of shapes and sizes, making them a great bath and beauty product to customize. If you haven't already, check out all of our social links below and then head back over to this tab so we can jump back into it. Let's get started. All right, for starters, we need to get our shea butter melted down. I'm gonna place it here on my double boiler that I've already got boiling and ready to go. Now, while this is going, we can also get our soap base melted. To make this easier, I've chopped it up into manageable cubes. Just like so. Stir it all together, and now it's time for the fun parts. Before we add the sugar to these tarts, we need to add our fragrance. I want these to smell as sweet as they look, so I chose AFI's Lemon Drop. I've got it all pre-measured out, and all I need to do is dump it in and stir it. Finally, we can make these sugar tarts, well, sugary. I have a big bowl of granulated sugar ready to go with a little bit set aside for later. Make sure the sugar is free of any clumps and pour the liquid ingredients over the top of it. We can also add some mica powder for a pop of shimmer and color. I am going with juicy yellow to match the fragrance. Just like that. Now it looks like a lemon drop. Now we can use our spatula to fold everything into each other and make sure everything is blended evenly. Then you can grab some clumps and start filling your molds. You can also roll them into balls and place them onto a lined baking tray. I have these super cute little heart molds that will make tarts that fit perfectly in the palm of your hand. Make sure each mold cavity is packed tightly and place them in the freezer to help them solidify. When they're firm and cold to the touch, remove them from the freezer and gently pop them out of their molds, just like that. Now we'll be using the extra sugar set aside from earlier. Now all we have left to do is roll it around in some sugar and package them up in a container of your choice. Just like that, you're done. These feel amazing on the skin and they smell awesome. One tart is perfectly bite-sized for your shower. Just remember not to eat them. Each tart costs us less than $1 to make. A 4-ounce jar of these can be sold wholesale for $4 to $6 and retail $8 to $10. Don't forget that we have tons more bath and beauty products for you to check out in our DIY playlist. Find it by heading over to our channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode of AFI's DIYs. We'd love if you'd give our video a like and comment it down below on what you'd like to see us make next. I'm Caitlin, and until next time, bye for now.